Hi, Engineer Abulaas is here. Now, today, this video will discuss about for the Primavera P6 calendar, how to develop the Primavera P6 calendar. So, first I go for the Primavera dashboard. Here is coming in the Primavera. Previous video we discuss about for the how to uh, create a WBS and anything. Then in other video I have discussed about to the activity. So now here is the work is coming for the calendar. Okay. So first you go for the enterprise and select here for the calendar. Okay. So this drop down, this window is coming when you select the calendar. But here coming for the most option. But you first time open Primavera and create the project when assign the calendar only here is the blank and one anything not like this. Okay, so here this Primavera have a three type calendar: global calendar, resource calendar, and project calendar. Global calendar have used in the EPC project planning, and resource calendar like any resource you work for the this is the higher level. Okay, not here the discuss because in this video have only assigned to the basic calendar because here I explain for this, so you will confuse. Next video, next project series is coming, so we'll discuss about all. Okay, this is the higher level. And this is the project calendar. Project calendar have assigned to the provided by the consultant for the client anything. So now here create to the global. Here is the select for here first here to the add. Okay, this window is coming. Here is the to choose any calendar. Okay, any calendar is clean. Okay, not any specify. Not here is any standard. So you here any click like this and plus icon click here plus icon select. Okay. Now here is coming for the new option. Here is the calendar name and the first. So here is the calendar name. What any in the standard for the calendar name? No, no any standard because in Primavera only have for the you assign anything what you want. Maybe you put your calendar name, your project name, like your project name guide, anything. Maybe I put my project name, Real Construction Project. Okay. Maybe I put my unique ID is A, maybe A. Okay. Capital. So here click OK. Here is the assign. So here is the select. Okay. So here is the select for the this calendar. First, your calendar is created, but what calendar you assign? Maybe your calendar you assign for the default, but you assign the specific calendar for maybe in a week how many work days, how many holidays, in a month how many work, in a day how many hour work, how many per hour work, how many detail per hour work. So anything you choose for the here modify button, select for the modify coming for the this window. So this window have coming. Here is the two type total work hour per day and detail work hour per day. Okay, what do you means total work hour per day and detail work hour per day? So I'll explain it. Total work hour per day means how many work how much you work in a day. Maybe some industrial construction site work have a 10 hour and standard have a 8 hour, company standard have a 8 hour, but construction have work at 4 or 10. Okay, maybe in a Gulf region have a Friday is weekly off, and office people for the organization to administration people is Friday setup. Yeah, the site people only have a one day weekly off and Saturday is work. And the Asia region for like here is off for the Sunday weekly off, and office people have Sunday and Saturday. Okay, so how can for the Friday you want here your office for Friday weekly off in a site. Okay, so here you go for the work week. How many work in a day? How many work in a week? Okay, so yes, okay. So here is the Sunday. Maybe I consider my site work have a 10 hour. Sunday have a 10 hour, and Monday have a 10 hour, and Tuesday have a 10 hour. Wednesday have 10 hour. Okay, okay. But Friday I won't have a zero calculate because these days have a holiday. Okay, here select this. Okay. Now here see this is for the link. Why? Because Friday is weekly off. Okay. This day have a working. Here anywhere select to here calculate for the day. Now coming for the other type, detail work hour per day. Here is the select. Here is the link for the detail work hour per day means you work we start maybe your site have a two shift work and three shift work. So here maybe your first shift is start for the 7 a.m. Okay, 7 a.m. people come and once we start and work 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. work and 1 hour rest for the calculating in the lunch and until to the finish 10 hour work in maybe 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Complete for the 10 hour. Maybe your second shift have start for the 6 p.m. to until 6 a.m. Okay. So here select first this shift start here the 7 a.m. until finish to the 5. Next next trip start the 5 a.m. But you want here my shift is not shift is here start. So here is the double click, double click, double click, double click, anything. Okay. Here is the select double click. So you see the magic. 16 July, you see. Okay. What do you? Here is the come for the hair. There. I unhighlighted to the four column. Each blocks have a 30 minutes. So I have double clicking for the four column. Here is the 2 hour ad. Cause 16 July work 2.5. That's it. Okay. But you want same as a same. So here you can go to the detail work hour. Here is the double click and finish, and finish. Okay. There is the same. So here is the select for the other for the time period. What do you mean time period? Maybe what you work in a week. How many hour? How many hour work in a month? How many hour work in a year? Okay, so here is the select time period. Here is the count. Hour per day. 10 hour per day. Okay, hour weekly. So I work on a 6 day in a week to be the 16. And here is the calculate for the hour month. So here is the monthly work hour. Uh, monthly work hour 180. Okay, and yearly work hour how many? What? Okay, so here the strict. So now here one another thing here which any specified date have here no one. Okay, Means like Eid festival, any festival have coming for the Eid, Bakrid, anything. Maybe third one I have considered Eid. So here is a consider for the consultant, here is the holiday. So only you choose for the now your calendar, okay? That is the simple. So this video for this for the how to create calendar in Primavera P6, and next video I'll discuss how to assign calendar in your project in Primavera P6. And so we'll keep watch step by step and practice with must with me like your projects and anything like use my project anything. If you want a project template, so we'll comment on comment box. So I'll give a template. You work and practice anything. This video is for the good for you. Then if you want anything, anyone want for the project planning and control engineer, so you watch my full free online course. I post my one by one my YouTube channel. So you'll subscribe my channel and like and share with colleagues and friends who want to become a planning engineer. So that's it for this. Inshallah, next video is coming for tomorrow. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.